everybody? Rex and Norm from loadoutroom.com. Doing a quick unboxing. Got the TriStar Compact Tactical bullpup shotgun. 12 gauge, 20-inch barrel, 3-inch chamber. First thing you'll notice, Big Ugly. So I'm going to call it. Got a couple mags, I think they're 5-rounders. Carrying handle, mag pull angled forward grip, mag pull iron sights. Heavy, not excessively so, I guess. AK design. Get this thing out to the range. It says 1 box of high brass shells for break-in, and we'll see how it runs after that.